going to unbox some Zuru My Mini Babies. This is a double pack that I got from Amazon. Yesterday we were at Target and this is what we got. Of course, like most people, we were looking for the twins, but I especially love this one here. I think it's so cute with the little pool umbrella. Oh, I also got this baby here in the high chair. Now, I didn't care for the color of its hair, so I thought, well, no problem. I'll just strip it off with acetone. And I tried that last night and it doesn't work. And I tried alcohol and it just will not come off. I've not worked with silicone in a number of years. And I'm guessing that they developed a new type of paint for it that is very permanent. All right, so without further ado, there's this cartridge here, and we have 2 balls inside. Now, I've seen some people are weighing this, so let's see if my scale's up here. Oh, it is, okay. Just for the heck of it. Oh, no, we don't want that. Whoop. I don't know why it did that. Let's see if we can get it back to grams there. Okay, there we go. Oh, and it's on too. What if we turn it on off? Okay. So anyway, some people are shaking them to see if they can feel anything. Now this one feels, I don't know if you can hear it there. There's a little rattling in there. They're saying the twins are really tight. Okay, so let's put it on here if it'll stay. So that's 103 grams. And let's see how difficult this one's going to be to open. Where's my strip? Here it is. And with gloves, no less. But maybe we want to do it from the top down. All right. Throw her. It's sticking to my glove. All right, one wrapper off. There we go. And then we have another wrapper here to get off. I'm not very good at doing this, as you can tell. Let's try from the bottom up, maybe. They should have brought out a little pair of embroidery scissors. Would have been a smart thing to do. Okay, well, if you really get into trouble, you can just do this, because I've done this in the past. It just kind of roll it off instead of zipping it nicely, but it gets the job done. All right, here we go. Okay. So there's several little packages in here. Open up this big one first and see what we have. And this looks like a bassinet to me, but I'm not positive. Yes, that's what it is. And you do have to assemble these yourself. Whoops, there goes that one. This feels like the baby here. Okay, and it looks like this one is a little different skin color than either of the 2 I have. Maybe. There's the baby. It's got really kind of bright lips. But for the price of these, I mean $9.99, they're really cute and they're very well made. And then this last part, yes, so do be careful because some of the parts are tiny that you don't lose anything when you open them. Okay, there's the rest of that, the pad for the bassinet and all the other little fun things that go with that one. I'm just going to leave it there so I don't lose any of the parts. All right, let's see what we have in ball 2 here. I did go on eBay last night and ordered the twins, so I was sure I had them because I do not want to have to buy 20 of these to try and get them. All right. See if we can get the strip better on this one. I don't know. It would be nice if they put a little pull tab on, but I guess they don't want to do that for stores probably because of theft. At least on the inner one would be really nice. Okay, I guess we're going to be doing this one the hard way too. All right, outer wrapper off. And now, oh crap, I didn't weigh this one. Well, let's weigh it now with the outer, without the outer wrapper. Can we balance? Oh, this one's very light, okay? This is 64, so I don't know. These are the options here. I'm going to guess it's one of these with the scale. But we'll know in a minute here for sure. Okay, I almost had that. All right, there, we're getting better with practice. Okay, and here we are. I don't know what your odds are of getting the twins, but I'm guessing they're low. Oh, we've got a redhead baby. That's kind of cute, though, huh? They're very flexible. And what do we have here with it? Yes, it's a scale. I guessed right. So, whoops. It's a flying scale. So you definitely, yes, can get some kind of idea from the weight. Okay, there it is. And it goes on here. And I'm guessing there's some kind of clothing here in our other little packet. Yes, we have, oh, there's a little pad for on the scale, on a stethoscope. Measuring tape. Dighty. Okay, that's it. So that's what we have today. We got one with a scale, and the other one has a little bassinet.